रोल ऑफ प्रिंट मीडिया अँड टी व्ही चॅनल अँड चाइल्ड फ्रेंडली प्रोसिजर ह्या माथळ्याखाला जागृताय कार्यावळ आणि कार्यशाळा जाली। समाजातल्यो अन्याय अत्याचाराच्यो खास करून बायलां आणि सान भुरग्यांच्या बातम्यांच्या बाबतींत खूपच संवेदनशीलतायेन पळोवपाची गरज आशिल्ल्याचो सूर मानेस्तांनी लायलो। डायरेक्टर ऑफ वुमन अँड चाइल्ड डेव्हलपमेंटान GCCI हॉलात ही कार्यावळ घडोवन हाडली। गोंयचो DIG बॉस्को जॉर्ज, सायोनार टेलिस लाड, गुजाचो अध्यक्ष राजतिलक नायक आणि हेर मानेस्त सुवाळ्याक हजर आसले। मानेस्त हस्तुकी उक्तावण जाल्या उपरांत प्रोजेक्टराच्या आदारान कांय म्हत्वाचो डेटा स्क्रीनार दाखयलो। नाजूक आणि संवेदनशील विशयांचे वृत्तांकन खूपच जतनायेन करपाक जाय हे वास्तव सगळ्यांनीच मानून घेतले।
He will able to give you a very objective and honest way. As a police officer, yes, many times even now, you will hear, they will give you a call and say, the other day there was a small clip, a very small boy, he enters a house and he robs a cycle. So someone sent me a clip and said, take a card and hop out the car. Now just see. Now, can we do these things? It used to happen in the past. Today, to touch or even raise a voice with a child, from the police point of view, I mean, there are a huge number of SOPs. But then after this awareness program, that a child has fallen on the wrong side of law is not because the child is responsible. Sometimes it's being instigated by the parents. Sometimes there is the economic part of it. Sometimes it is the surrounding, the environment. But then yes, today the government recognizes that the child is something that we need to take care of. There are lots of things that goes on in the streets of Benjamin. Many times we get called that the children are begging. How do we deal with these things? We cannot use their photo. They cannot use their image. We cannot use They are also very sharp nowadays. These children.
We need to appoint counselors. Because children don't speak. They go through such harrowing experiences of rape, which I cannot even imagine to disclose or speak about. Sodomy, cases of sodomy of young children. So there are such type of cases and it becomes really difficult. So all these type of things we need to understand, we need to be sensitive when you are going to interview the parents or the family members or you need to be sensitive. You cannot think, oh, it's going to make a big picture, or that it's going to be a headline, or it's going to be a good story for me, and you should know, you should be sensitive to the needs of the victim, the family members.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विन्संट रोजारियो।